The Darryl Starbird Rod and Custom Show is one of the most iconic automotive events in the United States. Held annually in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the huge SageNet Center at Expo Square Fairgrounds, this event showcases some of the finest custom cars, hot rods, rat rods, and classics from across the country. The show was founded by Darryl Starbird, a legendary car builder and designer known for his innovative and imaginative custom car creations. This show has been a staple in the custom car community for over 70 years. Believe it or not, there are over 1,000 custom vehicles neatly organized here. Now, the Starbird show isn't your typical indoor car show. Oh no. The massive SageNet Center is 2 stories tall, and right now, you're only seeing the upper portion of this show. What's downstairs really needs to be experienced rather than described. Known as the Rockin Billy Bash, it's where all the crazy happens, and this year was the 10th anniversary. We're going to take you there in just a few minutes, but before we do, let's check out some of our favorite shiners from the upper level of this incredible show.
It's too early for surrender, too late for a prayer. We can't go to hell if we're already there. They say the end is coming and I need to prepare. We can't go to hell if we're already there. Turn that fear into a souvenir. The world is waiting and the hour's near. So if you need a reason, and if you need a sign, open up your eyes, you'll see they stole your water, turned it into wine. Sit back, relax.
All right, folks, that's about all the pretty paint my anxiety can handle. Let's switch gears a little bit and check out the 10th anniversary of the Rockin Billy Bash.